Hey y'all, Michelle here with My Designs in the Chaos, and this month I am so super excited to be able to get to do the reveal of the May Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box. I can't wait for you to find out what was inside. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. Now, with every single mystery box, what's really cool that I love that Expressions Vinyl does is you get a little printout that tells you everything that's in the box, so there's no guessing game involved. Now, typically if you do the combination box, they'll do all of one type of vinyl on the top row and all of the other type of vinyl, like all adhesive on the top and all heat transfer on the bottom, or all heat transfer on the top and all adhesive at the bottom. So that will kind of also help guide you. And if you just got one or the other, then that's pretty simple. You know what's inside. So here's my May mystery box handout, and we're just going to kind of work through all the goodies that are inside the box. The very first thing we have is we have some Easy Weed. Now, of course, I had to use the lilac because purple and My Designs in the Chaos, they kind of go hand in hand. So I've got that 12 by 12 sheet of Easy Weed lilac, and then inside of that Easy Weed, you also have a 12 by 12 sheet of the Easy Weed white. I think that those are great combinations. You can use them on a lot of different things. Plus the Easy Weed vinyl is absolutely amazing. Don't forget though, when you're cutting this stuff, make sure to mirror your design. Otherwise, it's going to be backwards whenever you apply it to whatever it is you're applying it to. Your shirts, your hats, your reverse canvases, anything like that. Okay, so those are our first things in the heat transfer. The next thing that we've got is our Rainbow Plum glitter. Y'all, this is just gorgeous. I love the specks in it. It's just so beautiful. It matches really nicely with that lilac and the white, but I could also see it matching cute with like maybe a green or something like that. So this is a 9 by 12 sheet of that Rainbow Plum. Now, make sure whenever you're using this, you don't want to layer anything on top of the Rainbow Plum, or it doesn't have like a really long lasting effect. It's easier to peel off. So you want to make sure if you're doing any type of layering with Rainbow Plum, you knock it out so that the vinyl that goes on the top is adhered directly to the item rather than to the Rainbow Plum itself. So that's just kind of a little helpful tip there. The next thing we've got is this beautiful metal, okay? And this metal color is called Tiger Lily, and it's kind of shiny, and then each of the rolls, they tape them up like this just for easy packaging, but you can just pull this little tape off right here, and then if you want to store them flat like this, you can do that. But y'all, look at that shine. So beautiful, okay? And then from there, we also have a Strip Flock Pro. This is a 7 by 12 sheet. Now, I like to call this the fuzzy vinyl. And the reason why I do that is because when you peel that carrier sheet off, it's actually a fuzzy material. This stuff is great if you're putting like a monogram maybe on a fleece or a hoodie or on a stuffed animal or a blanket or anything like that that has a texture to it. If you use this vinyl, it helps blend in really well. So this will be super fun to play with. But again, just like the glitter, you want to make sure you don't layer anything on top of it, okay? So if you put this and you want to layer something, make sure you knock out that layer so that whatever's layered is adhered directly to the item and not onto the Strip Flock Pro, okay? So that's the fuzzy vinyl we've got in there. It's in the gray color. And then we have our two pattern heat transfers that I'm absolutely in love with. The first one is this boho chic textile one. I think that this color just matches so beautifully with all of the different other heat transfers that are in that box. I think you'll be able to really kind of complement each other with it. And then we have my personal favorite that I designed specifically for this box. It's an exclusive print, which is called the Crazy Arrows. And I just thought it was a really fun complement to all of these different colors. So I think it'll look really cute either by itself on a fun color or layered with something. We have a full bundle of 20 designs just for you to be able to kind of play with all of this fun heat transfer. So here's your huge bundle. If you ended up getting just the heat transfer box, these are all the goodies that came with it. And let me see if I can hold all of these. And here is that Tiger Lily metal. So that's what came with heat transfer. Now if you got the combo box, you got all this stuff. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the adhesive vinyl and see what came with that bundle. Okay, the first thing we have in the adhesive, remember this is the sticky stuff. This is the stuff that's going to go on cups, on car decals, on doors, on mugs, on anything that you need something sticky, okay? The first one we have is this Tiffany color. It has a beautiful glitter on there. It's just gorgeous. It kind of, it's not too overdone, but it kind of, when it hits the light, it just shines. So we've got this beautiful Tiffany blue. We also have this beautiful diamond. It's just gorgeous. I love glitter, I love sparkle, I love shine, and so I had to throw some of this stuff in there. And both of these are 12 by 12 sizes, just so in case you're curious about the sizing. Again, all the sizes come on that little handout that's in your box as well. The next thing that we have in here is black. Now, while I love my colors, I love having pops of colors on things, I always have a staple of black and white. And so I thought it would be crucial to give you guys a staple of some matte black. I love the matte color, and so this is actually a 12 by 24 roll of just matte black. You can use it by itself. It's great for labeling things around your house. It's great when you're trying to get things organized. It's great to add some pops of simplicity to maybe some of these brighter colors. It's just really a good basic to have. Inside of that 12 by 24 roll, this is the Oracal 651, so it's permanent too. Inside of there, you also got a clear grid line transfer tape. It's a 12 by 24 sheet so that you don't need anything else to be able to actually put this stuff into use. You can use the transfer sheet that came here inside that roll to apply and put together all of these adhesive vinyls that you're going to be cutting out. Okay, so that's inside that matte black roll, 12 by 24 of the 651. Then we have, might be one of my favorites, I don't know. This is the opal. Okay, and this one says it's blue, but y'all, if you look at this, I mean, look at that shimmer. I think it depends on what you have it around of what color it really is. That blue is just gorgeous, and this is a 12 by 12 cutout of the blue. So that'll be really fun to kind of either complement with the black or the diamond or the Tiffany. There's so many different fun things that you can do, especially using, again, those bundle of designs that you got with the mystery box. This can really, really come to life. Super, super cute. And then, like we had in the heat transfer, we've got some matching patterns. We've got that boho chic textile pattern that's really fun. It's got that same Tiffany blue color in there, so that'll look really cute. And then again, black is always a fun thing to be able to just kind of simplify that crazy pattern. And then last but not least, I also printed out the crazy arrows and the adhesive vinyl that you can pair with any of these beautiful colors and really bring that to life. And then the last thing that is in the adhesive section of the box, or if you got the combo, you got this as well, is one of these scrapers. I use these scrapers all the time in my Facebook Lives, and I always get tons of questions because they're great for when you're using adhesive vinyl to put the transfer tape on flat to make sure you have no bubbles. They're great whenever you're applying it to your item. They're even great for heat transfer when you're trying to, just make sure everything's rolled out flat. So I just love these scrapers. They're kind of just a basic necessity, and you can never have too many because I don't know about you, but sometimes the things in my craft room with all of my kids tend to walk off. So I like to have extras. So I wanted to throw that one in there for everybody. So if you got the adhesive box, these are all the goodies that you got. You guys are set to go on lots and lots of vinyl for all kinds of cool, cute, fun projects. I cannot wait to see what you are able to create and bring to life with this box, as well as those exclusive designs. And thanks so much for being here. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.